Hey, beautiful souls. Hope you all are doing amazing on today, having a wonderful day. Pray that you're doing great as well as your families. I want to just come in with a little budgeting idea and tip that I use that we have seen in many areas. I actually added a short about that, but I want to come in and show you all personally my little budgeting mechanism tip that I have been using, and it is the envelopes. Yes, the envelope method that I keep in my wallet, you all. I get these actual small little wallets, like envelopes like this from the Dollar Tree. I actually cut the top off of that, you all, and I put on here about the actual items that I'm going to be actually purchasing in the actual, this is my little envelope fund account here, you all. And when I do this, it helps me so much focus more on my spending than hitting the debit card. Hitting that, it makes a difference, you all. So what I usually do is I'm going to be writing down because I'm trying to see what I'm allotting myself per month for items like this. So what I do, maybe sometimes I do like maybe $40 a month or so, and I break it down in fives and ones or what have you. And this is my actual Dollar General envelope, you all. I have been using some things in there, and right now I have maybe like $2 some change in there. So this is my Dollar General envelope. Whenever I have money left, I don't go and take it out and put it in other areas, but I want to show you all what I have as it relates to this. So I do have a Dollar General envelope. So if you all go and do shopping in these stores, you know how sometimes you can go in there, you see things, your buggy end up being $30 and $40. This helps you if you put $10 in here, because in the Dollar General you can use a $10 on the dollar aisle. So I usually put about $10 in here, and that's what I work. And this here has been here for maybe about 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks there, and I'm down to $2 or something. Next one I have, I'm just going to, is gas. Okay, so I have a gas envelope because what I'm learning is that when the gas was really high, now we're back at 3 something, a little bit better, I would use my debit card, and I knew with our big truck out here we have of the cost it would be for gas. But what I always have done is kept a $20 emergency gas, because I have been to a point in my life some years ago, go to the actual gas pump, hit my card, and it didn't work, which means a scam came through on my card and the bank shut it down without me knowing. So I always try to keep an emergency 20 here. So right now, let's see, 5, 10, 15, and that's what's in here. 5, 10, 4 fives, for $20 for gas. And reason I break down in fives like that, because sometimes I may move a 5 over, you know, a certain period of time in another envelope and what have you, but gas is another one that I have. The next envelope I have is a Dollar Tree envelope, which I don't have anything in there because I haven't been going to Dollar Tree lately, but I like to have this actual envelope as well, because these are things that I'm using throughout the month, places I'm going. I have my certain stores I go to, and this is what I do, you all, and it works perfect. Also, I have an emergency. I don't have anything in here right now. I had $10 in here last week, and I actually blessed someone in the Dollar General, and I'm going to share that journey with you all. I did put it on a video when I was driving to my mom last Sunday, but I didn't have nowhere to set my phone for real. But this was it was an emergency for someone else, so I blessed someone with that $10 that I had in there, you all. I just did this envelope, and I was like, what can this be for? I don't have anything in here, but it's going to be for my thrifting. So tomorrow I am going to the thrift store, the one I love to go to. They have 50% off of everything in the store except the boutique and the red tag items. So what I'm going to do is probably just allot myself, probably I have some $20 in another area. I'm going to allot myself and put it here for thrifting on tomorrow, you all. And I was listening to videos. When I'm at work, I listen to a lot of inspiration, motivation, encouragement, my songs, you know, and a lot of speaking. And I was listening to a young lady who was doing her videos, and she was talking, I forgot her name, Doctor somebody. I need to write these names down. And she was just talking about how she has her area, and it's called Blow Money. I'm like, yes. So in my Blow Money, I have, what I have? $5.50 in there. So I may have had another 5 in there. So I'm not sure what I did with that. But anyway, it's Blow Money, which nothing I just focus hard on. So this may be a actual thrifting envelope here, because I'm not a person to go through the drive-through, eating out a lot, doing all of that. I don't do that. I thank God that my mindset is not there for that, because that could be really a place where you just blowing a lot if you hit that debit card and whatever you do to get that through a restaurant or a drive-through. And for years of not knowing what was going on in my body, things would make me sick eating it. So I may just have this blow money here as it relates to my thrifting as well. So these are my envelopes that I have, you all. Go to the Dollar. I haven't seen envelopes in Dollar General. They might be in there, I don't know. But Dollar Tree, I've had these envelopes for a long time. I like this size because it's actually the size of the money itself and it fits in my wallet. So go ahead and create your envelopes, you all, and go to the bank and let's say get about maybe $40. I'm not sure what you may have. You know, some people may have a toiletries. I had one that was a toiletries one time where I would go and get my tissue, you know, bath wash, body wash, toothpaste, and all of that. But right now we're stocked. So that can be my other as well. And if you get, let's say, $50 and you just split it, your dollars and your 50s, and say, give me a couple of fives, a couple of ones, fives and ones. Do it just that way. And split it and put it in there and watch how you pay attention and maneuver your money and how you budget, you all. So if this is a great tip, it's nothing new really. But if this is a great tip that you've heard of or you want to try, let me know. I know someone mentioned it on one of my beautiful souls in my short that she's going to try it. Let me know how it worked. Let's work on this together. Be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing some lives, you all, as it relates to a couple of things just to share because we want to be on this together because we're not trying to deprive ourselves from anything. It's about just being aware of what we're spending money for. I tell people I'm 50, I'll be 59 this year. I'm looking into my retirement. Not that I'm going to be quitting and stopping because you all that don't know, I'm a certified life coach. I have a coaching business. I have a mentorship business. I have a couple of things I'm doing. So I want to do those things, continue and have that more full time. But I want to make sure I'm not wasting money in areas that I can't give account for. So beautiful souls, thank you all so much always for your love and support. If this is your first time coming in, we would love to have you as a part of the family. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget you all to click the like and share button and the notification bell so you'll know when I'm coming in with more videos. Be on the lookout. I will be doing some lives, you all. So I'm not sure what nights I may do them for right now, maybe on some Sunday afternoons. So peace and blessings to you all. You all have an amazing, amazing day now. Bye-bye.